There has been some common questions which have been coming up, and today only somebody asked me that whether the communication should be well rehearsed or it should be impromptu. That person was asking this question because somebody had told him that if you are doing a presentation in a corporate environment, your presentation should be well rehearsed. According to that person, that after doing job for 10 12 hours, he doesn't get that much time to rehearse each and every presentation so much. Let us understand first what this thing is. If you think that before giving any presentation, before giving a talk, before indulging into some things, you should get into some kind of environment and then you should rehearse. Please type into comment box rehearse, or you can type WR for well rehearsed, so that we can understand the perspective of yours. If you think that the thing should be impromptu, what do you mean, what do we mean by impromptu? Impromptu means you are just given a subject and you spontaneously deliver your content on that. It's just like kind of elocution or competition when you are just given the subject and you have to talk on that. So people generally confuse between these two things. Actually, people generally confuse things between these two things. Why? Because ultimate job of a communication is to deliver the message. However, people don't understand the things, because whenever you are passing your message, it is a communication. Communication is not only about giving a speech or giving a presentation in a corporate environment. It is not about going onto the stage and speaking in front of thousands and lakhs of people. It is not. Yeah, it is communication. Public speaking is part of communication. However, public speaking is not only communication. What will you do if you have to give answer to an email? Will you go for writing the same email 3 4 times? You will rehearse that email. What if somebody has asked for a revert on WhatsApp? What will you do? How will you rehearse your answer before giving it to that person, because that person has got two blue tick marks and that person knows that you've read the message? What if you have to give some message on social media? What if you are giving messages on social media daily? How would you deal with these things? Basically, the goal of communication is to pass on the message. It is not about those rehearsals. It is not about being impromptu. It is about having that presentation, that communication within you always ready. What do I mean by that? If you want to know, please type BIO, bring it on into the comment box. Well, let me explain. See, you have to understand the basic fundamentals of the communication. It is not only the public speaking. Whether you are writing an email, whether you are writing message, whether you are writing a copy, whether you are writing messages, whether it is social media post, you are creating your content, you are writing a book, you are telling a story. or you are talking with somebody, or you are talking on an elevated stage. Everywhere the basic fundamental thing will remain same. That is to be ready with your that presentation. That is to be ready with your content. That is to be ready with your that email. That is to be ready with your that message. That is to be ready with your content. How would you do that? If you want to know, type in IWK, I want to know, in the comment box. See, the thing is, your presentation, your talk, your email, your message, everything should be impromptu rehearsed. What do I mean by that? I mean that whatever subject you are given, whatever talk is there, whatever is the email you are answering, whatever is the message you are answering, whatever kind of communication you are indulging in, fundamentally, basically, you should have the answer ready with you. How? If you want to know, type ready in the comment box. Please type ready in the comment box. See, you would say that it is not possible, because how would we know in advance that on what subject we are going to be asked to speak? In a social situation, if there are two persons talking and you got over there, you know what subject they are talking, you do not know. If you are receiving an email, before receipt of that email, you do not know what is going to be there in that email. Before receiving that WhatsApp message, you will not know what is there in that WhatsApp message and what you are going to answer. So how can you be ready? How can you be ready with something that you do not know? Yes, I firmly believe that you should be practiced. You should have practice. You should be practiced enough. And how? You should have practiced the basic fundamentals of communication. Once you understand how the communication develops, how it works, what are the principles, what is the framework, how you can create that framework, how you can develop that framework, then you are well rehearsed. If you have used those frameworks, if you have used those methodologies, if you have used those principles enough times and you have built upon that, you are enough rehearsed, and you will know whatever the question comes, whatever the question life puts, you are ready with your framework, you are ready with your system. It is because you are rehearsed enough with basic framework and system, you can answer anything impromptu. This is getting rehearsed impromptu. If you want to learn more, if you want to develop your communication, if you want to know how to build up a framework, how to understand those principles, please like and comment below stating clearly that you want to learn, and we'll be personally messaging you with the link to registration for a free webinar. Post that, will take your journey further. So understand this fundamental principle today, that whether it is impromptu challenge where you have to speak spontaneously with the people, or something where you have got time, or you are writing an email, a message, a social media post, you are posting your content. If you are enough rehearsed with your framework, with your principles, you will always be ready, even if the things are impromptu, sudden. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Amit Kumar Ruparelia signing off for the day. Thank you.